let me show you the practical way on how to add subtitle to a video using Inshot. So I am on Inshot app right now, so I'm going to tap on video, okay, to add a new video. Add new. Okay, so I'm going to look for a video. Okay, let me say I did this video on Sunday. Maybe we can use this to, we can work with this just for the sake of this practical. Okay, let me play this video so that you hear.
See my babe now.
Okay, now a short title is writing out what is being said in a video. Okay, let's say for instance, if what I had just said now, see my babe now, on this video was maybe I use let's say Igbo language, Hausa or the Efik, then I can subtitle it in English. I can write what is being said just like interpreting it. I can interpret what is being said in English by writing it down. So that is the purpose of that, is to help someone who doesn't understand that particular language to see what the meaning of what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm subtitling what is being said on the video board. In this case, the language I was using here to communicate is English language. So what I would do is to write what I'm saying out on this video. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So I want you to watch closely so that you see how I'm adding each of those texts, which is the subtitle to this video. Okay, let's start from the beginning again.
See my babe now.
Okay, so now I want to type see my babe now. So we are going to do it a sentence after a sentence, except when a sentence is too long, we can do it bit by bit. It's just going to be one step after the other. So I'm going to, okay, let me play it again. So let me know where exactly to start from.
See my babe now.
Let me see.
See my babe now.
Okay, so I'm going to, from that point, I'm going to tap on text. Okay, so I'm going to write out what I just said now. See my babe now. Okay, so another thing I'm going to do here is that I could change the color of this write-up to either yellow, this color, or this color. So I think we should go with this red. I don't know if that color is red, but I think I like that color. Let's go with that. Then again, how should the write-up fall? So I'm here at this point where you see circle turning up and down. So that is why I'm going to tap here now. You see all these things is displaying here is to help us choose how we want the video, the write-up to display. So I'm going to tap on this one. Okay, see how it just fall now. Okay, so I'm going to tap on the correct sign symbol here. All right, so another thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to bring this down and adjust it again to fit into the screen. Okay, so I'm going to adjust it here, and then I still adjust this one here so that it doesn't play beyond the point where it's supposed to. Okay, so let's see how it turns out.
See my babe now.
Okay, now can you see? I'm going to increase it a bit.
See my babe now.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add now is, okay, now see, now I've added that one. Now let's start from the beginning again to play.
See my babe now. It is it.
Okay. So I'm going to add let's see again. Okay, so now the next text I'm going to add is see my babe now. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I'm going to tap on okay, I'm bringing it down again. All right, I'm bringing it down again to fit and adjust here. Let's see how it plays out.
See my babe now. It is easy.
Okay, now you can see now. The next thing I'm going to do is to add things say it easy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on text again, one sentence after the other. Because if you want to type all of them all at once, it will not fit into the screen. Okay, so I'm going to type again. You think say it dey easy? You think say it dey easy? Okay, so that is a question. All right, so I'm going to still adjust it again. I'm still going to adjust it again to fit into the screen. Let me increase it a bit. Let me increase the font. Okay. Let's see from the beginning again.
Now, it is easy. Chai.
Okay. I think we are done with that. So the next thing I said on this video is chai. Just like good luck, Billy Jonathan. All right. So I'm going to tap chai. Okay. Yes. All right. Yeah. Okay. I've said adjust it here. Okay. Perfecto. All right. Let's see how it play out again.
See my babe now. It is easy. Chai. My babe too fine.
Okay. So the next I'm going to add now is my babe too fine. Okay. So I'm still going to tap on text again. My babe too fine. Okay, let me just add this emoji to make it, to add swag to it. Okay. All right. We are still going to adjust it again and reduce it to fit into the screen. Okay. Here we are. Yeah. So I'm going to still adjust it again. Then I'll play it again to see how it
my
is.
babe too fine. Come on now, see.
Okay. I'm going to adjust it a bit again. After that, what else did I say?
Chai, my babe too fine. Come on now, see.
Come on now. Okay. So I'm going to add come on now. Okay. And bring it down and do what again and adjust it to fit to the screen. Okay, so I'm going to adjust this one now. Let's see.
Come on now, see.
I think what else did I say? I think C. Okay. Okay. Now let's play it out again and see how it goes.
See. Nami dresser, no be any other person.
Okay. The next thing I'm going to write is Nami dress her. Nami dress her. Okay. Let me just add this image to make it swag. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to still adjust it again and reduce it again to fit into the screen. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's see again. Let's see.
Nah, see. Nami dresser, no be any other person.
No be any other person. No be any other person. Okay, so I'm still going to adjust it again down here and reduce it again to fit into the screen. Okay. I will increase it a bit. I think it's okay like this. Okay. Let's play.
No be any other person. Yes, sir. My family and I.
Okay, the next I'm going to add now is my family and I. My family and I. Okay, so I will see, do what again? Adjust it again to fit into the screen. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see.
My family and I. Look at now.
What next again? Look at now. Okay, I'm still going to reduce it, bring it down again. Let's see how it turns out now.
My family and I. Look at now. Daddy, wow, the great.
Okay, I think that is it. So the next thing I want to do on this video now is to, add filter to it. Okay, so I'm going to tap on this filter. All right, and where did I do? I will just pink. I think I'm going to raise it a bit here. Let's see how it plays, if it is okay.
See my babe now. It is easy. Try. My baby fine. Come on now, see. Now me dresser. Baby dresser. No. Yes, sir. My family and I. Look at now. Daddy, wow, the great.
Okay, I think that is it. The next thing I want to do now, some of you were complaining that you weren't able to, you don't know how to remove the Inshot logo on a video. Okay, now I think I should use the opportunity now to show you how that is done. If you look at this, the screen of this video now, if you look at my screen now, you see Inshot logo down, okay, at the very bottom right corner of this video. Okay, now what I will do is that, and if you look critically, you will see a star sign beside the Inshot logo. So if you want to remove the Inshot logo, is for you to tap on that star sign, like as in to cancel it. Okay, then I just tap there now. You see now they will give you options to use. You say remove watermark and ads. Okay, now you say Inshot Pro. You understand, you have access to all paid transition, effects, stickers, and more. That is if you subscribe to Inshot Pro now, you won't be seeing those Inshot logo anymore. Logo or watermarks anymore. So in order to remove it for free, since I'm using the free version of this, I'm going to use ad to remove it. So I will just play their advert in order to remove that watermark without paying for it. So I'm going to tap on the ad. Okay, so the ad will play for a few seconds in order for them to remove the watermark on this video I just edited. Okay.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm chatting with Andre Tessier from Delta Resources. In this interview, I asked Andre about his overall bull thesis for gold. I also asked him about what it's like to hit huge drill holes in a market where sentiment for junior mining companies is just not that strong. We also get into the company's cap table and what investors can expect over the remainder of the year. All right, everybody, enjoy the interview. Andre, thanks so much.
Okay, that is it. That is it. And now you can see now the watermark is no longer there. Okay.
See my babe now.
So what we do right now is to save this work. Okay, so from here you can see the standard way of saving it. That is 1080 pixel. Okay, so that is, all these are the standard way, our standard version to, this is the standard capacity to save this, the work I just did now, in 32.4 MB. So I'm going to go ahead and save it again. Now ad will still play here because I'm using the free version. Ad will still play here. Ad is still going to play. Ad is playing now.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm chatting with Andre Tessier from Delta Resources. In this interview, I asked Andre overall bull thesis for gold. I also asked him about what it's like to hit huge goals in a market where sentiment for junior mining companies is just not that strong. We'll get to the company's cap table and what investors can remember. All right, everybody, Andre, thanks so much for joining us today. So first I've had you on, I got to ask you, you are CEO of a company. Now, I'm sure that when you get up in the morning and you're getting out of bed, there's things you think about when you think about the overall gold market and where gold could be going.
Okay, so the video is now saving up. The video is now 62. It's counting. Okay, that is it. The video has been saved.